I don't know why you think that you could hold me when you couldn't get by yourself. And I don't know who would ever wanna tell the seam of someone's dream.
Selamat datang dalam acara Hari Ulang Tahun Cito ke-58 tahun.
It's for the best. If you ever change your mind, don't hold your breath.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pada hari ini kita bersama-sama merayakan Hari Ulang Tahun Cito Group ke-58. Semoga di usia 58 ini Cito Group semakin berkembang, semakin hebat, dan bisa melayani masyarakat dengan baik dan paripurna. Secara simbolis, music's playing, and even if it started raining, you won't hear this boy complaining, 'cause I'm glad that you're the one who got away. It's a beautiful
Innovation on happiness!
'Cause I'm easy, no playing this guy like a fool, 'cause now I'm alright. You might have had me caged before, but not tonight.
Innovation for happiness!
Baby, I'm relieved. This fire inside, yeah.
Selamat ulang tahun Cito, semoga semakin jaya.
It's a beautiful day, and I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink and then I'm buying, and I know there's no denying that it's a beautiful day. The sun is up and the music's playing.
Burikan lele. Aku neng Jogja le. Asik.
I complaining, 'cause I'm glad that you're the one who got away. 'Cause if you ever think I'll take up my time with thinking of our breakup, then you've got another thing coming your way. 'Cause it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh baby, any day that you're gone away, it's a beautiful day.